That'll suck. I lost the cap to my pen. That's ruining the flight. There she is in all her glory.
I won't lie, the end of these trips is always a little sad. And don't get me wrong, I do look forward to seeing my family when I get home, but it's a tad depressing to watch the towers of the Virgin fade into the distance. Even though I've returned to the same spot for 8 years now, each trip is its own brand new adventure, and flying away always brings closure to that particular chapter. To be honest, I've never done well with the passage of time. Whether it's watching my kids grow up or seeing these past 8 Zion trips slide by in the blink of an eye, I'm constantly reminded of how finite our time is. And with that comes the realization that we can never go back. Perhaps that's part of what drew me into photography in the first place. It has the unique ability to freeze certain moments in time and allow us to relive them. On this trip though, I discovered another way to relive the past. Watching my friends experience sunset in the Kanab canyons for the first time took me back to my first trip to Zion. Seeing the sandstone glow and come to life at the end of the day is complete magic, and their excitement over this was the exact perspective I needed. The ultimate goal is still to create compelling images and to tell the stories behind them, but more and more, I'm finding myself thinking about these moments in time. Whether it's waking up to the first light of a new day in the Watchman campground, or taking a break next to Taylor Creek and listening to the water and wind filter through the canyons, my trips to Zion are increasingly filled with moments like these that seem to freeze time. And the same thing can be said for flying. Seeing the world, and especially this part of it, from above offers a new perspective that seems to be independent of time. I've made the same trip multiple years now, and yet I never grow tired of it. It's why as I sit here now, months away from my next trip, I'm already excited for visit number 9 to Zion National Park.
I just don't see that there's anything wrong with plain Pringles.
Well,
You make a sandwich?
you would rather have plain Pringles than barbecue Pringles?
Yeah.
You not find that odd?
I would go with a flavored Pringle.
That's not real barbecue.
You don't like... Do you think the nacho cheese on the Doritos is actual cheese?
Cheese product, yes.
Well, it's a barbecue product.
Let me get you a nice chicken salad sandwich and some plain Pringles.
On recall, chicken salad.
United 1132, connect
All chicken salad.
33.45.
Zion chicken salad was.
I love chicken salad.
Are you serious? Chicken salad in Zion was on recall.
Yeah. That on their board.
Kansas City Center
Nationwide
133.45.
Did you have some chicken salad while you were there?
I did not.
November 4108 Echo, connect roll
Cheeseburgers.
approach 119.5. 119.5, 4108 Echo.
I would have French fries if I was on death row. That would be one of my side items.
German chocolate cake.
2314 Albuquerque, credit.
Rice Krispie treats.
Ooh, like fresh, hot.
Yep.
Yeah, those are good.
No, a 3-layer German chocolate
39
cake
Albuquerque, credit.
that my mom made.
I would go with my mom's chocolate eclair.
It'd be pretty sad if they had to cook your final meal, though.
My own mom had to make my final meal.
Yeah.
I bet it'd be good though. I think she would.
But I wouldn't accept any other German chocolate cake.
Yeah. What would be your main course? Main death row, you get the main course and one side.
Fajitas that my dad grilled.
Grilled fajitas.
On the,
That's pretty good.
Albuquerque
green
Center,
egg.
East 1 Niner, Sierra Papa.
And your side item?
1 Niner, Sierra Papa, go ahead.
just chips. Fajitas the whole thing.
Plain Pringles and fajitas.
No, I'm not taking, with fajitas, it's not plain Pringles, it's
November A19,
Tostitos.
Salsa?
Medium.
Medium salsa. Alright, that's respectable.
Since when did plain Pringles not become acceptable? Anyway, after departing Kanab and a brief aerial tour of Zion, it was time to point the plane east and return home. Our destination was Harrison, Arkansas, with a brief stop for some cheap fuel in Boerger, Texas. The trip eastward was infinitely smoother than the flight into Kanab, but as we approached our fuel stop, we had a bit of a mystery on our hands.
That's sand?
What is that, sand?
I have no clue.
Like it's snowed here.
I don't think it's that.
I'm with Alan, I don't think it's snow.
I know it's not snow.
It does look like it. It looks like a big golf course.
It is snow. It's on roofs.
I mean, the storm system swept through, but it's 60 degrees.
That's snow.
That is wild. Yeah, you're right. It is on roofs. It snowed here yesterday.
Yep.
That's crazy.
And it'll be 65 degrees when we land. And if it's still around and it's 65 degrees,
Got a pretty good little snow in.
they had us good snow. County traffic, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotels, final 2-1 Hutchinson County. Landed in Boerger, Texas, Hutchinson County. Just a quick top off on the fuel. The Cirrus jet. Somewhere back there. I see those every day. Really nice place. Cheap fuel, full service. We're gonna take back off. They had 7.5 inches of snow here the other day. So we're gonna take back off as soon as he fills up. I've got a fall flight plan. Probably have to shoot an approach into Harrison in Arkansas, where we'll stay the night, get some food, some good food, and sleep in an actual bed for the first time in over a week. And then tomorrow we'll just have a short leg the rest of the way home. So nice little stop, nice quiet town, snow on the ground, Cirrus jet. What more could you ask for? Hutchinson County traffic, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, departing 17 Hutchinson County. County traffic, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, departing the area to the east, Hutchinson County. And off our left wing tip is where they make airplane gas.
Center, good afternoon. 732 Charlie Hotel, climbing through 6,500 for 9.
Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, Altitude Center, good afternoon. The Canadian altimeter 2973.
2973, 732 Charlie Hotel. It sounded like you said the Canadian altimeter.
Skyline 87903 Tango, contact Fort Worth Center 126.45.
Canada's a long way off.
126.45.
Alright, so we picked up some cheap full service fuel in Boerger, Texas. I'll be stopping there again. That's $3.99 fuel and full service. You can't beat that. We're headed back to Harrison, Arkansas. Gonna stay the night with my friend there. Probably gonna have to shoot an approach there. There's some weather clearing out. Well, it's kind of marginal VFR now, so I'll probably still have to shoot an approach. Shouldn't be too bad. And get to sleep in an actual bed tonight. No car alarms. Should be a solid improvement over the last few nights. But we'll continue on our way. Not much to show between here and there. Texans, you guys are great people, I'm sure, but this part of the state is pretty flat. It's covered in snow this time though, so that's a new development. It's just flat snow instead of flat brown. That was a Mylar balloon. So what? A Mylar balloon back there.
Riverside Jones, Reservation India, current altimeter 2976.
So it was just hovering there.
Bravo Alpha,
I
contact
was like, is that a bird? And then it got a metallic sheen off of the sun. That's a Mylar balloon at 8,000 feet?
Riverside Jones, Reservation India, current altimeter.
I'd be livid if I hit one of those. I don't think it would do anything at all. But if it did, ooh, I'd be hot. Memphis Center, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, descending through 6,800 for 5.
November 732 Charlie Hotel, roger. You're about 4 minutes behind, 4 or 5 minutes behind the friendly, which is the caravan. So you might expect a delay maybe at Hayden, depending on how quickly they cancel when they're on the ground. But at the moment, you might expect to hold maybe one turn and holding at Hayden.
Okay, we'll be fine with the hold at Hayden to Charlie Hotel.
Ain't holding nothing. Look, this is picture worthy.
Yes, it is. I'll get some video action on that.
Always one-upping.
You just swiped your camera right through my video. Again. Twice. Oh my gosh.
What a douche nozzle.
Douche nozzle.
Friendly, November 732 Charlie Hotel, cross Hayden at or above, correction, yes, cross Hayden at or above 3,900, cleared RNAV runway 36 approach, Harrison Airport, report cancellation of IFR this frequency or flight service, change to advisory frequency approved.
Hayden at or above 3,900, cleared RNAV 36 into Boone County. We will cancel with you either this frequency or on the ground and clear to change to advisory frequency. Boone County traffic, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, short final 36, Boone County.